Hey everyone, so this is the second part of the seventh video where I will show you that how you can find the video topics idea using vidIQ. So let's just go straight to the vidIQ dashboard. So right now I am on vidIQ dashboard, and by the way this is a pro plan of vidIQ, but you can also get some idea of your new videos using vidIQ free plan as well. But if you still want to get the maximum output from vidIQ, you need to upgrade it to the pro or boost plan. And by the way, if you want to get a 1 month free trial for vidIQ, I will leave a link in the resource file and you can just go and check that out, and I will also leave a coupon to that, so you can get a 1 month free trial and get an idea of your next 12-month videos. So now let me show you that exactly how you can get an idea of your next video in vidIQ. So there are two options. The first one is daily ideas, so just click on this one, and you need to add your competitor in vidIQ. And once you add that, vidIQ will start recommending you the new topics that your competitors are making videos on. So you can also make videos on these topics. And the second option is keywords, so just click on keywords, and now you need to type your query over here. Like I'm making the videos on top 10 things to do in, so I will just type top 10 things to do in and just press enter. And now go to the matching term. Now you can see that there are a lot of video ideas over here that you can start working on. By the way, you can sort these video ideas based on the search volume. Like uh, the most search term is has a 4100 search results per month, and you can do the same on other niches as well. So that is how you get an idea of your next video.